This is the Iron Trader. The pitch just closed here about 10 minutes ago, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your weekly chart and your monthly chart. Now, if you look at a monthly chart here, everything is still very good. You're above your 100, you're above your 50, your 200 here, and above your key 8 SMA here, sitting at 76.36. Now, what we have here is 82.90. I told you this is the key level right there, 83.53. Now, today's high, well, we got as high as 84.89. That was today's high. So it rallied up pretty good, but again, just not good enough. And it's sold off here pretty good. All right, let's take a look here on your weekly chart here. Now, this is what I want to show you here, is why you always trade the chart and you put price channels in there. See how easy that is? Okay, 83.53 popped up. Now we have ourselves an indecision candle going on here, okay? So here's what we want to do. We need to get above that 83.53. The next target here is going to be today's high, sitting at 84.89, and then we're going to have this 100 SMA here sitting at 85.51. If you can get above, then you go right here on the 21-day here at 86.23. See how easy that is? Now, on the downside, you're going to want to watch this 50 SMA here. You're looking at 78.26. If that is lost, then we come down here to your 8 SMA here, and we come down to your 21 SMA sitting at 74.98. So just watch this key, 83.53. That is going to be the key. All right, let's take a look here on a daily. Okay, daily chart. You can see big red candle today. However, okay, look at the 8 SMA. Okay, so the key is watch this 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 82.33. Now again, if that is lost, then we come down to this candle right here. Okay, you're looking at 81.52, and then we look over here. You have 80.59, and then we just keep rolling the candles all the way on down. Okay, so you want to look at this key candle. This is 79.90. Okay, that is basically the same as this candle here. That is a nice support level. Right below it here, you have the 21-day sitting at 79.44. Very, very nice. Now again, if that's lost, then what we do is we follow the candles down until you hit your big support levels, which is going to be your 200 SMA sitting at 76.79, and then right below we have your 100 at 74.58, and then you have your 50 at 74.48. But right now you still have a bullish pattern here. Your 8-day is all above everything. Your 21-day is above all your SMAs here. So as long as this 8-day holds on a closing basis, that's the key. See, let's go all the way down, then we close the back above. This is still a very, very bullish trend. Now, one thing I've been pointing out to you as you've been watching the videos is this RSI. See how it made a high here? Okay, now you just take the candle right on up here, and you only had 82.22. Now you made a lower high here, but where did the candle go? All the way up to 84.65 here, and actually today's high of 84.89. But see the negative divergence going on there. See? Always watching the RSI. Now, your MACD here is still looking good, but just watch if that green line crosses over that red line like it did here, you can go right on down real quick. Okay, so always watch these two patterns right there, and always watch the volume, and then you have your key support levels here, your 8, your 21, your 200, and so on and down. Okay, but watch if it sells down, if it can hold this 79.90 again, that is going to be a key level there of support, and then your 21 is right below. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, here we had natty gas, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Well, you had a really nice run up here off of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. Went right on up here to 3.01. The key level was 3.027. I've been pointing it out to you for a long time. Could not get through, and then came right on down. So now you have the question, is that a double top in play here? And is this going to go lower? So that's what we have to say. So now what you want to do is you want to watch your 100. Okay, it's sitting at 2.76, and then we have your 2.82, your 8-day, your 2.87, your 50-day, and then 2.91, and then we have a retest hip here of 299, and then 3.028. Now, here on your 4-hour chart, well, pretty much the same thing. You know, you rallied up really nice and hard here, and now you're just pulling right on down. So all these SMAs here will be right around 2.67. That will be your key support level if it keeps selling here on your 4-hour chart. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. Okay, here we have the old daily chart. Now, you look at this chart here. What I've been pointing out here for months is this candle right here. Okay, sitting at 3.027. Where did the high go? Okay, 3.018. Boom. Is that the double top? Now she's going to sell off down? Well, we're going to have to wait and see. But always watch, pay attention to what the charts are. Okay, so now we have a big ass red candle here with actually a higher high, but now you're finishing off way on the bottom as a lower low. So you want to look here for key support levels here. It's going to be this 8 SMA here. You're looking at 2.68. Your 21-day sitting at 2.65. And then you have your 50 SMA here. What are we looking at? 2.57. Your retest is 2.45. Okay, so that is all your key support levels. But what you want to watch here is it needs to get right back above this level right here, 2.87. If you can retake this here ASAP, then we got a good chance of that thing running right back up again. But right now, look at that big candle there. Wow, that was a great sell there today into it. And actually, I scalped a little bit of cold there today. I got 3 points out of KOLD, the short. So it actually worked out pretty good. Trying to maneuver all this and going to the DMV at the same time. Fortunately, I had an appointment, so it wasn't all that bad. Okay, here on your weekly chart here, this is what we got right here, okay? So you have this candle here. That is your key level. Now, if we can get above this candle here, then we look here at your 3.4, your 200-day, and then we look for this 200-day right up here at 3.76. The key is, can it hold all these SMAs here? So you need to reclaim this SMA right here, sitting at 2.66, and you need to hold this 21-day sitting at 2.42. If you don't, she's going to come right back down here, retest these levels right here where this price channel is sitting at 2.45. Okay, so actually natural gas, well, it's like anything. It's always wet and wild. I mean, people who trade natural gas already know this. You know, they don't call it the widowmaker for nothing. Okay, so again, what you had to do is just scalp trades. You had a really nice, good run up here, all right, but you went right into where I was trying to tell you is this 3.027, and then didn't quite make it there, came really close, and then pulled right on back. So we got to see what's going to happen on Friday. Now remember, you got the rig count here on Friday at 1 p.m. Other than that, it's just going to be kind of about the same old thing. All right, I'll have more for you tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock on the crude and the natural gas. And thanks for watching.